Oh, I missed that sound. Absolutely beautiful. Hello! It feels so good to be back in my apartment, back to vlogging, having my Nespresso. If you didn't see my last video, I told you guys that I was going to Vegas. I left Tuesday and I just got back early yesterday morning. It is currently Monday, which is perfect. New week, fresh start, getting back into my routine. It was a really crazy week though. I was in Vegas for my friend Taylor's wedding. Hey Taylor and Jeff, I know you guys are watching this. It was my first time in Vegas and it was great, and it was just so good to see my friends and drink whatever I wanted, eat whatever I wanted. But wow, the dryness in the air, and I knew it was gonna be rough for me because I am a humidity girl. I live in the southeast and I still sleep with a humidifier next to my bed every night. So the dryness out there, my hair never looked better. It was great. My makeup like stayed looking so good all day. But after the first like 48 hours, I was really suffering and my skin just still, it's getting there, but it feels so dry. My airways were so dried out, like my throat was killing me because of how dry everything was. And even my voice, I noticed when I landed yesterday, my voice was gone. I was like, what? But I've been home for a full 24 hours now and I'm starting to feel better. But I need to get back into my routine. I need to get back into my workout routine. I need to get back into eating healthy. I am craving fruits and vegetables and just like fresh whole foods so badly. And then I need to unpack, I need to clean, I have a bunch of laundry I need to do. It's gonna be a nice little reset vlog. I'm gonna finish this coffee and then we'll get started with the cleaning. It is hot outside and I just came back from walking Benny and then I had to carry this big giant box. I got all of my Factor meals for the week. I was really excited to get these because I just have a lot of catching up to do and it's nice to have the convenience of not having to worry about cooking a lot this week. And Factor is sponsoring this portion of the vlog. Thank you so much to them. I think this is my third time trying Factor, and I have not been disappointed once. Every single meal that I've gotten is so delicious. It doesn't get any more convenient. You are getting pre-made, pre-portioned meals that you literally just have to pop in the microwave for 2 minutes, and that's it. It's that simple. But it's not like buying processed frozen meals at the grocery store. This stuff is actually fresh, and they have all of the nutrition information on the back of the package. So if you are trying to track your calories or your macros like I am, it makes it super easy to stay on track. So if you're super busy or you just don't like to cook, you don't have time, you don't really know how, not interested, I mean, it doesn't get any simpler than this. They also sent me some of their 100% plant-based smoothies. I got the mango and the strawberry banana flavors. I've never had the strawberry banana, but the mango is really, really good. They're perfect to have before the gym if I don't want to eat a really heavy meal, or to just like throw in my bag and bring with me to work. Factor's meals come together in minutes, taking the guesswork out of what to make for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Their menus are updated weekly, and they offer seafood, veggie, and meat options along with keto, calorie smart, carb conscious, and plant-based options. If you'd like to get started with Factor, click the link in my description and use my code samanthavayYT for up to 50% off. And thank you again so much to Factor for sponsoring this portion of the vlog. So I am gonna put this stuff away. I think I'm gonna have one of the smoothies for breakfast because I haven't eaten anything yet. Yesterday I got most of the things done off of my to-do list, but not everything. I still need to clean the kitchen, finish unpacking my suitcase. I took all the clothes out and washed everything that was dirty. That's sitting in the dryer. So I need to put that stuff away, unpack the rest of the stuff in there. And then my closet in my bedroom is there's some stuff on the floor. So I just need to kind of organize that a little bit better. I have some stuff that I wanted to drop off for donations, and it's just like overflowing in a bag at the bottom of my closet. So I'm gonna pull all of that stuff out, finally drop it off sometime this week. And then I think that's pretty much it. I got a lot of computer work done yesterday, so that's good. Oh, and then later tonight, I am going to my first pole dancing class. So that should be interesting. I'm not sure how much of that I'll be able to vlog. I just feel so gross. I can't wait to wash this hair. But I am getting ready to go to the gym. It's my first day back since the vacation, but I really just kept putting it off this morning. I do feel like it's a little weird, like getting back into your workout routine after being on vacation, because I just feel kind of sluggish and like bloated and not really my best. I know after today, I'm gonna immediately just like fall right back into it. I feel like getting started or getting back into it is always the hardest part, because at least for me, like I just build it up in my head and I'm like, ugh, I really don't feel like going. But just put your gym clothes on, don't even think about it, and just go. Wish me luck. Just got back from the gym. It was so good. But I just heated up one of the Factor meals, the salmon with the cauliflower grits and broccoli, and it smells so good. I can't believe that that's cauliflower. It's so good and so flavorful. So I'm gonna eat this, and then I think I'm gonna just finish cleaning the kitchen while I'm like still sweaty and gross and disgusting, and then go hop in the shower. And then that class is at 7:30 tonight, so I still got plenty of time.
To a crime who had not committed it. I figured my client was obviously guilty, and so my
quote unquote chasing down one of the boys. He didn't commit any crime in his mind. Again, simpler mind.
All right, so let's go over the evidence that the police gathered together before their case went to trial.
In the woods, no less.
That's what I'm saying. It's the woods. The clothing of Stephen Branch, Christopher Byers, and Michael Moore. Super, super low. Because the fibers found on the victims' bodies and their clothes could have come from the clothing of anyone in town, basically.
I feel so much better now that I washed my hair finally. I kind of wish that I let my hair air dry when I was in Vegas because I'm really curious to see how it would have looked without the humidity and without it being frizzy. But I thought I would just show you what I've been using lately when I wear it natural. So first I'm going to apply the Olaplex number 6 leave-in. This is basically just a leave-in conditioner. Just add some hydration to my hair. I focus that on the mids to ends, and then whatever little bit is left on my hands, I just run over the top. And then I'm gonna put some of this IGK Rich Kid air dry styler. Good amount of that. And this I'm gonna kind of scrunch into the mids and ends. Flip my hair over, scrunch up the bottom. And then the pieces in the front, I am going to twist away from my face so it's out of the way. But also, like, the front pieces sometimes can be a little bit less curly. So twisting them kind of helps give them a little more curl. Sometimes I'll put mousse in my hair too, but I don't know. I don't really like to have a lot of product in my hair, and I don't like for it to feel like too stiff and crunchy. I honestly would rather my hair be a little poofy and frizzy and be soft than have it be like super tame and defined but like feel crunchy. And then from here I would either just let it air dry or I would use my diffuser, but I think I'm just gonna let it air dry. It's pretty hot outside today, so if I just drive with my windows down, honestly, it should air dry pretty quickly. Good morning. I have been up for about an hour. I had my cup of coffee and I was just kind of sitting on the couch being lazy, putting off starting the day. But I'm finally going to finish unpacking my suitcase and straighten up my bedroom, organize my closet, and then I will officially be caught up with everything. So that pole dancing class last night clearly didn't get any vlog footage. It was very small and intimate and private, so I was like, you know, I'm not even gonna do that. And there was no way, the poles were like all so close together that there was no way that I could have like even set my phone up where I was just recording myself without getting other people in the background. We actually signed up for a 3-week course. It's only 1 class per week, so 3 classes, but it's like an intro series, but they make it very welcoming and comfortable. It was all women there. The instructor was awesome. I really, really liked her. And there was only like maybe 7 or 8 women all together in the class, and we're all doing this like intro series. So every class is going to be the same group of people. So she had us go around and introduce ourselves so we could just kind of like get to know each other a little bit and talk about what our experience is with dancing, if any, and talk about why we wanted to try it in the first place. But we did like some very basic things, like just kind of walking around the pole and like learning sort of like the form of everything. And then we did just like some basic spins. And then at the end we did a little routine. It was fun. I'm looking forward to going back next week. Okay, it's not 100% finished. I still have to actually hang all this stuff up in the closet, but so much better. I got my suitcase all unpacked. The closet is looking so much better. There was literally stuff all over the floor in here, and I feel so much better. But now I need to quickly get ready because my friend texted me yesterday and asked if I wanted to hang out today, but I didn't really know what our plan was gonna be, what time we were gonna get together. But she just called me and was like, hey, do you wanna go to the mall and get lunch and just kind of hang out? I'll come pick you up. So she's on her way. So I just threw those clothes on the hangers. I'm gonna have to wait till I get back to actually hang them up. I'm really excited though to go out. With the exception of that class that I went to last night, I have not left my apartment since I got home from my trip, and it's really beautiful out today, so it'll just be a nice day to be out and about. Here's the outfit I'm wearing. Levi's shorts. I have a crop top, tank top kind of thing from Cotton On underneath, and then this top I just got on my trip from Zara. And then later on, if I get kind of hot or anything, I can unbutton this and just wear it open too. Sunglasses are from Amazon, and then I'm gonna wear my Steve Madden sandals. I'm back home. I put the clothes away, so I am now officially all unpacked. Apartment is clean, everything is put away. Oh my god, it's almost 6:30. How is that even possible? I had a good day with my friend. We went out, did some shopping. We got sushi for lunch. It was so good. I hadn't had sushi in a while, so I was craving it really bad. And then we got some iced coffee. And I did get a few things, so I'll show you my very small haul. So I got these shoes at H&M. How cute! This color is just stunning, and they're pretty comfy. They were $27.99, and then I got this dress. It was only $14.99, so I was like, yeah, why not? And it doesn't really look like that special, but when I tried it on, it was so flattering. Now I really want to go out somewhere, so I have an excuse to wear that. And then I got a couple things from Sephora. I got this Fenty hydrating lip stain in the shade My Type. Super pretty. Like a nice strawberry pink kind of color. And then I got the Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand. It's just like the glowy blush with the little spongy applicator. I've been wanting to try these, and when I swatched it in the store, I was like, that is so beautiful. It's so glowy, and especially I feel like lately I've really been into just wearing like very light minimal makeup, so I thought that would be pretty. Just do like a skin tint and a little bit of that because it adds color and also a glow all in one. And then with my points, I got this little baby Rare Beauty liquid blush. It's so tiny, but these are so pigmented, so I feel like, you know, a little bit goes a long way. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. That's that one in the middle, and then at the bottom is that lip stain, and then up top, I don't know if you can see, I had swatched the lip stain when I was in the store and then wiped it off, and even after trying to take it off with alcohol and everything, that's what was left. Anyway, since the day is pretty much over at this point, I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. I will start a new vlog later this week, so stay tuned. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Factor and use my discount code if you want to try them out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.